Freeze-drying process. Steps explained clearly. When we think about extending the shelf life of food and pharmaceuticals, we imagine futuristic technologies. But what if the secret lies in something as old as winter itself? This is the fascinating world of freeze-drying, also called lyophilization, a process that uses cold, vacuum, and time to preserve products while keeping their structure, nutrition, and potency intact. Before freeze-drying begins, preparation is crucial. The freeze dryer must be clean, leak tests must pass, and utilities like compressed air, chilled water, and nitrogen need to be in place. Vials or containers are carefully loaded according to size, ensuring the process is consistent and safe. Even tiny details like vacuum pump oil levels and vent filter integrity checks can make the difference between success and spoilage. The first official step is freezing. Here, the product is cooled to extremely low temperatures, often between 50 and 80 to 4°C. Why is this important? The freezing step determines the size of ice crystals, which directly affects drying efficiency and product texture. Slow freezing creates larger crystals, helpful for strong materials. Rapid freezing, on the other hand, creates smaller crystals ideal for sensitive biological products. Sometimes, scientists use a method called annealing to fine-tune crystal size. Think of this step as laying the foundation for the entire process. Primary drying, sublimation, also called sublimation. This is the most critical stage, where up to 95% of the water is removed. Under deep vacuum, ice bypasses the liquid phase and turns directly into vapor. Precise control of pressure and shelf temperature is essential here. Too much heat, and the product collapses. Too little, and drying takes too long. Imagine balancing on a tightrope. That's how delicate this stage is. Sensors continuously monitor the process to ensure sublimation happens smoothly and effectively. Secondary drying, adsorption. After sublimation, we move to secondary drying. This phase removes the last traces of bound water molecules from the product. The temperature is gradually raised under vacuum, locking in stability and ensuring the product can last for months or even years. At this point, pharmaceuticals remain potent and foods retain their flavor, nutrition, and structure. Once primary and secondary drying is complete, strict quality checks ensure everything went as planned. Parameters such as chamber pressure, vacuum levels, and final product moisture are verified. If all tests pass, the freeze-dried goods are ready for packaging, transport, and long-term storage. From life-saving medicines to astronaut food, freeze-drying plays a vital role in modern science and industry. The freeze-drying process is a remarkable combination of science, precision, and patience. From preparation to freezing, primary drying, and secondary drying, each stage is carefully tuned to preserve quality and extend shelf life. Understanding these steps not only helps manufacturers reduce costs and energy, but also ensures that vital products reach people safely and effectively across the globally. If you like this video, please follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.